Hey folks, for years our monthly safety meetings happened in the boardroom. We reviewed incidents, discussed improvements, and updated documentation. But because we were removed from where the risk actually occurred, I worried that much of our documentation and planning was inadequate. So just as the best place to review and discuss a lean improvement is on the shop floor, we held our last safety meeting on the Gemba as well. During that session, we decided to simulate an emergency in a welding bay right on the shop floor. Immediately, it became obvious that the planning we'd done in the comfort and calm of the office was lacking, as we debated questions that should have been simple and automatic. For example, can the fire alarm even be heard in this area over the ventilation and machinery? Which extinguisher is correct for a welding fire? When do we switch from fire extinguishers to fire hoses, and who is even trained to use them? And at what point do we stop fighting the fire and focus only on evacuation? The major takeaway was this: the more we imagined what would happen on the shop floor, the more holes we found. What looked clear on paper felt chaotic in reality. And as we worked through questions about fire response times, first aid, emergency protocols, communication with other staff, and evacuation management, it became clear we were ill prepared for an actual emergency. In fact, nearly every question we discussed exposed something we'd not fully considered before. Thankfully, that was the goal. We'd rather find gaps in a drill than in a real emergency. The big takeaway for me was that safety plans must be tested where the work happens, not just reviewed in a meeting room. So we've decided to make this part of our regular safety routine, and I would challenge any leadership team to take their emergency plan to the Gemba to see what questions surface when the scenario becomes real. Thanks so much.